I'm going to be assembling the top a little bit differently, simply because I can't figure out a way to do it in one swift motion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the shaft in. In my later trials, I'm going to put a spacer in between the counterweights so that you don't deflect the counterweights when pressing. So for right now, since this is a trial, we're just going to press. All right, the one problem that you have is whether or not you're straight. Okay. Now, if we were to put this in dry ice or heat it up a little bit, I believe that it would go in a lot easier. All right. In the middle. And it's in. Now, if we had the Loctite, the Loctite would act as a lubricant. So it's turning pretty good. Didn't seem like we did any damage. Okay, I'm going to press the upper half and lower half together. I'm going to stick a 19 thousandths shim in between to stop the compression. Now, I really don't like doing this because the counterweights are unsupported. There's a cantilever on the wrist pins. But I looked at it and the force to compress is not that big. So I'm going to do it anyway. And this will be able to do it in one swift motion. Turns very freely. Now let's see what happens when we put the gasket in and tighten it down.